Alright guys, so today was a pretty boring day if you were in the markets. Obviously, as it was Veterans Day and the big players were really not in the market looking to establish any directional positions, right? They're out in their yachts playing golf or doing whatever. They don't really care, they're not like day traders, right? That they want to trade every single day and do things all the time. They don't really care, right? They have a position, they establish their positions from, 2 months ago or even a week ago, whatever. They set themselves up so they don't have to, worry about trading every single day because, that's not what their game is. Okay, so whenever the big players are not in the market, you're not going to get any real moves. Okay, you're not going to get anything crazy, right? Obviously, look at today's range compared to every other day. Okay, really didn't get um, anything great. The NQ was a little bit more extended than the ES, however, it was just boring all around. I already uh, made all the levels, so in this video it's going to be pretty fast, obviously, as I'm not going to have to run down through every single level um, from yesterday and today. But let's start off with the ES here. Okay, as you can see, we kind of took over or traded into the imbalance we had from yesterday above 35.57 here. So you can see some rotation, kind of expected. Anytime you see the market trading inside an imbalance, you expect some rotation inside. As obviously the market likes to fill in these imbalances, right? Obviously, as you can see, it's very wide here, very wide, and then it's just single print, single print, single print, right? The market doesn't like these single print areas, and so you'll see rotation, right? Fill it in, fill it in, fill it in. Anyways, you're going to be looking for uh, bullish moves above this value area, bearish moves below the value area low, and then a rotation inside of this range. Okay, we have a poor low here, meaning this is likely to continue to the downside, obviously, as the auction is not finished. Okay, and we have a point of control right below here. Okay, kind of a target for us if we do end up breaking lower. And then below that we have another point of control, and then we have a low of day, and then another point of control. Okay, these levels have been the same for the past 3 days, so that should be all the same. But anyways, that's about it for the ES. So you just take a screenshot, write these numbers down, pause the video however you might want. Moving on to the NQ. Okay, same idea. Okay, however, it was a little more extended, so we're just going to use the point of control as our line in the sand. Above this we are bullish, below it we're bearish. Okay, we did fill in the imbalance a little bit, this imbalance right here, and so we have kind of half of it left to go. Okay, we did establish some good um, buying structure below here, so the NQ is looking good for the buyers. Okay, and now last but not least, the YM, the Dow, the Dow futures. Okay, same thing, value area low, above it we're bullish, inside a rotation, below it we're bearish, looking for a move down. Look for them to attempt, if we do come down, look for them to attempt to fill this gap. That's going to be the target. That's the market's going to want to fill this, right? Obviously you can judge the success by obviously how deep this pull is, right? If they, let's say they just kind of come all the way to here, 28896, and they just kind of fail and they reject it up and they kind of never see it again, then you know the buyers are fully aggressive and they're fully in control, right? If the sellers are here, they're gonna want to take this over and fill this gap completely. Or if the buyers are just weak, right? That's another scenario that could happen. But anyways, this is what we're gonna be looking for on the YM. And what you were looking at the beginning of the video, this is just my order flow platform. This is what we kind of analyze in the trade in the master class, the futures that I teach. I just kind of look at all the orders that kind of go in the market, just how the actual market trades. This is why the market moves, not really because of any levels. At the end of the day, the market moves because of orders and volume, right? How orders and volume and people interact, right? Not really because of a line in the market. It doesn't really work that way. So this is just kind of showing you volume at price, orders, right? So these are, for example, the little red area that I'm showing right here, or even this one right here. This is telling me that at this level there were 344 buy orders sitting at the market waiting to be filled. Obviously, the market comes down to fill them. We trade 760 contracts at this price right here. And obviously, as the market kind of continues trading, right, you can kind of see how it interacts with those orders. Obviously, it's a little more complicated than this. Um, but yeah, this is just a quick little introduction to what I look at in the markets. But anyways, this is going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, comments, just leave them down in the comments below. And or also you can reach out to me in the Discord if you haven't already joined. There's a link in the description for those of you that haven't. And yeah, that's going to be pretty much it. So thanks for watching, guys.